Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining us. Today, we are in Memphis, Tennessee, downtown. We're going to go to the famous Peabody Hotel and check out the Duck March. That happens around 11 o'clock in the morning and again at 5 p.m. We're going to walk Beale Street, check out some of the shops, have some lunch. And if we have time, we'll probably get on to the Memphis Zoo and, of course, the Bass Pro Shop. There it is, Peabody Hotel. They have an underground parking garage. If you park there and have lunch or dinner at the hotel, they will validate your parking for free. Here we are, Peabody Hotel, Memphis, Tennessee. All right, this is the lobby of the Peabody. Wow, look at this place. All right, here we go, setting up for the duck walk. Getting up
The ceremony for the morning march of the ducks from their nighttime abode on the rooftop, down the elevator, across the red carpet, and into the fountain for the day. I'm going to stretch the red carpet to that elevator, and we're going to do it. Help me out by not encroaching on the red carpet. It's okay for kids to sit alongside in the direction of security, but don't get on the carpet during the ceremony, please. Take all the pictures you'd like. It's your show, but don't lean down and flash the camera less than a couple of feet from the duck's eyes. It tends to change their route if you want to do it. Standing is not permitted anywhere in the lobby. No standing anywhere in the lobby. People are offender, Virginia, a good deal, we don't want to block it. So if standing is your preference alongside these folks, up on the mezzanine behind the cellars are all good places. We're going to begin in just a few moments. I'm glad you're here.
Good morning, and your attention, please. Welcome to the historic Peabody Hotel. At the center of the grand lobby, the point where the Mississippi Delta has been said to begin, stands the classic Peabody fountain, carved from one piece of Italian travertine marble. Although famous in its own right, the fountain is better known the world over because of its resonance. If I may direct your attention to the elevators, you will witness a tradition begun in the 1930s at the South Grand Hotel, an experience uniquely yours as a guest of the Peabody. Having just left their penthouse on the roof to join you. Ladies and gentlemen,
Here we
the
go.
march of the world-famous Peabody Ducks.
So there's 5 ducks, 4 females, 1 male. Here we go.
And they hope you have a marvelous day.
Living a life of luxury. Here we are on the roof of the Peabody Hotel. We're going to get a bird's eye view of Memphis, and we'll see where the ducks live in the off hours. Old buildings here. We're gonna go see if we can find out where the ducks live in the off season or the off times when they're not in the lobby, and then we'll take a walk down Beale Street. I guess this is where the ducks live. Ah, yes, there's their little home. So that must be second shift. I don't know if you can see this because the windows.
This is where they live?
Yeah, the windows tinted pretty good though. You probably won't be able to see. Well, folks, that was a famous duck march at the Peabody Hotel in Memphis, Tennessee. 11 o'clock in the morning and 5 p.m. It goes pretty quick, but it is fun. There's no charge, and the hotel lobby is really nice. It's definitely worth checking this place out. And like I said before, if you park in their parking garage and you go to the restaurant in the lobby, they will validate your parking. I'm not sure what the parking is, maybe $30-something for the day. I'm not 100% sure. All right, onward to Beale Street. See what that's all about. Excuse me, officer, can you give us directions? Well, here we are at Beale Street, downtown Memphis. This place isn't going to be much to see during the day. I guess it's pretty lit up and pretty busy at night, especially during the weekends. But we're not in the crowd, so we'll come here during the day. Yeah, we got a lot of restaurants, a lot of blues music here, tons of bars, lots of little shops, cafes, and very few people. All kinds of shops around here. Looks like mostly restaurants, huh?
Yeah.
Record Souvenirs, B.B. King's Company Store, established 1947. There's B.B. King's Blues Club. There's a nice sign, Home of the Blues, Beale Street. So we're going to head down to Tom Lee Park, which runs alongside the river. And then we're going to do a river walk, a pedestrian sidewalk that goes over the river, parallels the highway. So we will do that. Park looks nice. And check out Beale Street on the way by. There's a statue of the King. Elvis Presley, King of Rock and Roll. So it looks like e-bikes and scooters are a cheap way to get around town. You can rent them. I guess you scan the QR code, and I'm not sure how you pay for it. Probably link a credit card or something to it. But these things are all over the place. There's one of the scooters. I'm not sure how those work. If I got to scan a card and it unlocks itself, yeah, there's a QR code. And you just swipe a credit card probably. I don't know if I trust that. I don't see anybody riding them, but I see them parked all over the place. Alright, let's head down Beale Street, the other side. Yeah, this place is pretty dead during the day. Of course, it is Tuesday. It's in August, so everybody's back to school. Tourist season's almost over. So most of your action is going to be at night during the weekend. Like I said, it's supposed to be lit up and crowded. It's like a fun restaurant. Pork with an attitude. Yeah, but the food there is pretty good. That looks like a fun little pub. Sokio Solutions. Yeah, it looks nice. Probably got some great live music here during the weekend. Well, if you like clubbing, if you like music, come here at night. If you like the crowds and the lights, Beale Street's a pretty happening place. A lot going on here. Oh, got some live music. Street entertainers, donations, so help them out. Well worth it. Yeah, so here's the beginning of the river walk. Check out the view. It's about 10 degrees cooler next to this river. And there is the Bass Pro Shop. We'll probably go there maybe today, we'll see. Looks like we got a nice observation area up here, overlook the river. On the other side of the hill is the bridge we're going to walk to. From what I hear, if you're afraid of heights, walking that pedestrian walk on the side of the bridge is probably not a good idea. We'll check it out anyway, see what it's like. Now, there's the old bridge that we're going to try and cross. It's called the Big River Crossing. Halfway across that bridge is Arkansas. We're on the Tennessee side right now. And in case you're wondering which bridge to go to, because there's two of them on either end of this park. You want the older one, which is this one. The newer one is closer to Bass Pro Shop, which is that big giant pyramid building. So hopefully this walkway is open. Been hearing a lot of mixed comments about it. Oh, almost there. Big River Crossing. One side is Memphis, Tennessee. The other side is Arkansas. There it is. From here to Peabody Hotel, where the Duck March is, was a 1 hour and 10-minute walk. Get onto the river. There is a park. Just take a left and follow the sidewalk all the way to the very end. You're going to have to cut across a grass field to get back up to the main sidewalk. And from there it's maybe 100 yards. I don't know if we're going to walk all the way to Arkansas. This walkway is attached to the bridge that carries the trains. So hopefully nothing comes by. It'll be pretty noisy. Probably shake this thing too. That's a nice walk if you're into walking. There's a skyline for downtown Memphis. Today is a nice day. It's 83 degrees around the bridge. Got a nice breeze next to the water, which makes it even cooler, temperature-wise, that is. Well, we made it to the Arkansas-Tennessee line on this bridge. Pretty cool. Right smack in the middle of the river. There it is, state line. Arkansas, Tennessee. Yeah, it is pretty high, but everybody says if you're afraid of heights, you shouldn't do this walk, but I'm afraid of heights, and this is a piece of cake. There's plenty of fences. The walkway is pretty solid. It's really not a big deal. Yeah, it's pretty far. I don't think it would hurt too much if you jumped. Yeah, let's not find out.